Oh, welcome to Rick Riley's world, where we look at Rick's vast collection. You just heard this one running. What we got here, Rick?
It's a 99 4700 Low Pro International. It used to be a government ambulance. Came out of Norfolk, Virginia, off a naval base. They took the body off of it, and we picked it up about, I guess it's been about 4 years ago. And I finally got it out of the barn, decided it's time to get it going and get everything working on it. We just put new brakes on it. It's got DT 530 in it, 6-speed Allison. I had the bed made for it up in northern Indiana. It's got a gooseneck hitch, receiver hitch on the back. It's got plenty of power. We're going to pour our gooseneck trailer stuff with it. Say it's been sitting for probably 4 years down in the barn, and got it out last week, and trying to get everything worked out on it so we can get licensed and insured and get it on the road.
That's a pretty good looking truck.
Yeah, it was pretty well taken care of. Of course, it was the government. They were spending our money. It's got an engine brake on it. It's got the overdrive Allison in it. Like I say, we pulled a trailer a couple times with it. It's done a good job. So now it's time to finish it up and
Start using it, huh?
yeah, we're going to put stuff on it so we can license it as a recreational vehicle. That'll be this part of this winter's projects.
Sounds good. We'll catch you next time, Rick.
Guys, have a good one.